Good morning, Zoe. Good morning. Are you ready to play ball? Are you ready to play ball? I know, I'm sorry. We gotta get some trash picked up here today too. I gotta change to my sandals apparently. So a couple of months ago, Zoe got into a little play ball accident and she dislocated her ACL, or a slight tear. Oh. You're a good girl. Can you go potty? Can you go potty for me? Come on, go potty. Oh my goodness, she's a good girl. Yes, you're a good girl. Oh my goodness, that's a good girl. Go potty. Good girl, go potty. We've been wanting to bring her out here to the beach, but we can't, or we couldn't, because she couldn't walk on the sand without a lot of assistance or help. I would have had to have carried her. Within the last few weeks, she's been doing really good. You'll be able to tell because it's her back right leg where the ball is at, right there. So she'll be favoring it a little bit. Go get it. Oh, she wants it that way. Look at that.
Oh, look, she pulled her leg up.
I know. That's what I was just saying, that she needed to be out here in the salt water. She's still favoring it, but it's nothing like it was a few months ago. This happened back in June. We were out playing ball and she went and slid underneath, and then she just sat there and waited for me to go rescue her. That's her favorite thing. Obviously we know this is her favorite thing, is just really the tug of war. She chased the ball as a favor to me, I think. Put the ball down. Come on. There she goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good girl. So she'll lay down. When she's done playing, she'll just lay down. Let the waves overtake her. See if she can stay out here for at least an hour. Get some play time in, some rest time in. I don't know if you can see, but there's a huge seagull out there. Not a seagull. Gonna get it.
This is warmer than the shower last night.
What do you mean?
It was cold.
Why?
Before the water came upstairs. Well, no, I turned it and I thought, okay, maybe it's like Brian's in Texas. And because we used to always turn it to hot and it would always be cold. Well, then we realized we turned it back down and the warmest I could get it was right here by the cold, like almost off.
So when you turn it, this is off.
Yeah.
When you turn it all the way up, that's as hot as it'll get.
Yeah. It stayed cold. So I don't know if you showered. Like,
yeah, but we have a
yeah,
80-gallon fucking tank. It should.
Hey, all
You should have said something. I know I gotta freaking pick some stuff up and throw it away.
This is actually a flower lake.
We like coming out at this time of the day. Like it's overcast, not overcast, but marine layer is in. There's less dogs out here, less chance of somebody attacking Zoe. She also thinks that she's a big dog, so she'll sometimes go after little dogs. I don't like that at all. But there's been a time or two where we've been here and a bigger dog has put her on her back, and then she doesn't want to play. She'll just hide out up at the towels. And that's not good for her, and that's not good for the other dog either. So we try to come out here as early as we can. There's a lot of remnants over here. Wow. Dom, she's following you. Good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Oh. Oh, wow. Those waves, that was a loud sounding wave.
Yeah.
Wow. Totally.
Trying to get that one shell.
Yeah, for some reason all the shells and rocks and stuff are congregating right here. It just must be the way that the waves are coming in, I guess, or leaving.
I was bending over to grab one when it got me.
I'm gonna go that way, okay? Oh, look at that one, Dom.
Oh, man, that's a nice
You're a good girl, Zoe. You're a good girl. Don't run so much, though. I don't want you to hurt yourself more. You're a shaky leg. Shaky leg. These surfers that are out here are having a rough morning. It's hard to tell, but because right now it's a little calm. But some of these waves that are coming in are crashing pretty high. So all we're seeing is the tops of a lot of surfboards. We've seen a few surfers come in and rest on the sand. See if we can catch a wave here where you can see how brutal this wave is, or how tall the wave is. Here comes a couple of them. That one's not so bad. And then Miss Shaky Leg over here, she's needing to take a break. They're letting that one pass. Oh, I'll see if I can zoom in on that one. That one was pretty good. He got some air on that one.
You're editing, you can zoom in?
Yeah. Oh, that's funny. Pam's on Paw Patrol over here. I guess that's how you get better at surfing though, huh? You just keep trying it and doing it, and yeah, these waves that are coming in they're close and they're high for as close as they are. Like I would say these waves aren't even 50 feet out. And they're probably about 6-foot swells. Maybe higher.
I know you're ignoring me.
Am I ignoring you? I told her she needed to take a break. Oh.
Okay.
She knocked you over. I saw it.
Yeah, we're getting too close to this.
I saw her knock you over. Yo, let me have it.
saw that.
Put it
I
down.
don't want to throw you anymore. They just hit you.
No, because you just want to play tug of war. I don't want to do that. I don't want to just play tug of war. Put that down. Put it down. Put the ball down. Zoe. Put the ball down. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. That's cheating. Okay, I don't want to play. Nope, I don't want to play. That's her favorite thing to do, is to play tug of war. Like, she's still playing ball, but she's not having to run after anything.
I like that she gives it back to me each time. Here,
Let me give it back so you can keep trying. Try again. Here's your quarter. Wow. Oh, where's your ball? There it is. There it is. Thinking you're, oh, look at, there's already a hole in the thing. Okay, I'll throw it that way. There we go. It's time for you to slow down. She won't stop. She's lifting up that leg though. We have a brace for her at home. She has a ACL brace. It forces her to rest because she won't move with it on. So when we put her in costumes, like for Halloween or, you know, holidays or whatever, that's the good thing, because as soon as the costume comes on, she just sits there. She doesn't like it. So it's easy to take a picture with her. So it's the same with the brace. Once the brace comes on, she'll just lay down and take a nap and just rest. And then to take her out for a walk, you have to take the brace off, because she won't even go. Got some guy out here fishing for a wife.
On Dog Beach.
At the dog beach. Little ladybug hanging out at the beach. There's another one right here, but I don't think it made it. We'll just focus on that one. Pretend that one's not there. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Do I know you? Ready? Go get it. It's Starting to look a little flatter out there, but those waves were kind of killer this morning. Surfers are starting to move down this way. You probably can't see, but there's probably like 50 of them about a quarter mile down. All right, does she have to go to the beach?
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. We went to Starbucks to get a pup cup for Dominic. I mean for Zoe.
Yes.
So we know this one's Zoe's. So this one's Dominic's. Extra caramel frappuccino. And her straw. And then Pam ordered a hot something. Yep. Is this it?
Caramel apple.
Caramel apple for Pam. I ordered a vanilla chai, which I'm looking forward to. But let's see if Zoe will actually eat the pup cup. Whose is that? Oh my goodness. You had a beach day and you get a pup cup. How amazing is that? Aww. You're so good. Aww. She fell asleep on the way home from the beach. And I went, you know what? Let's stop and see. Hold on, let me squeeze it. There you go. She doesn't, can you clean that up? Can you clean this up? Hey, what's this right here? She's all, no. I'm squeezing it everywhere.
This is really hot. You would not be able to drink yours.
Yeah, mine's going to be too hot.
This one.
I don't think she'll stick her nose in there. She's, oh, I tried to squeeze it, Zoe. I'm sorry. Oh, there you go. She's trying. Here, let me see if I can get it right there. There you go. You got a little on your nose. Got a little on you. Aww. How's your drink back there, Dom?
It's delicious.
Pam, you can't drink yours?
It's really hot, but it's good.
We still got some in there. I don't think your tongue can reach. She's trying. She's totally trying. Hold on, let me see what I can do, Zoe. There you go. How about that? I got to take this in and wash it anyway because you got sand on it. There you go.
All
What about
good.
right here?
Good girl. All gone.
You're the best.
Girl.
We're going to wash that anyway, so we're good. All right. Good girl. Happy beach day. Well, it's the end of our vacation together. Dom's on her way home. And I'm ready for a nap. It was a long weekend.
Me too.
It was a long 4 days. Like
Long 4
we
days.
we were just going.
Yeah.
Going. Today beach, and then today we went to go celebrate Dominic's birthday. We went to Cheesecake Factory and she got cheesecake for dessert.
Yeah.
We didn't film that because the place was so busy.
It was packed.
Yeah, and we sat out on the patio and visited and had a good time. And now we're at the Fullerton train station waiting for the train to show up, enjoying the sunset. And I'll be going to visit her in November, so I'll be there for a couple of days.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah, that'll be a good time. It'll be a little bit more slower pace though. Yeah, exactly. So what was your highlight?
My highlight was, what was the first Star Wars ride?
Rise of the Resistance.
Rise of the Resistance, by far. And the second, like very close, was meeting Lisa.
Yeah, Lisa from
Hey, babe.
from Bill.
Come,
from
babe.
Bill and Lisa's. I told her, I go, you need to tell her that it's a drinking game at our house, and every time she goes, huh, babe, right, babe, huh, babe.
Yeah. That would be fun,
drink,
but
yeah.
I don't drink, and I would be
Yeah,
trash.
that's true.
I guess it could be an eating, and I'd gain.
Oh, I like
I'd
to
gain
eat.
like 100 pounds in an episode, though.
Yeah.
So. But she was super sweet, and I just.
She gave you the time of day. That was nice.
She did. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and just everything was good.
Nice.
I'll be glad to relax once I get home.
All right. Well, the next thing you see, it's going to be her getting on the train, and the train saying bye bye. So, Pam, you okay? You tired over there?
Yeah.
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 Tired?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right.
Preparing myself for
Yeah,
tomorrow.
exactly. She's got to go back to work. All right. Until we circle back around.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Did you get a seat check? No, did you get one of these?
No.
Oh, you need to go see him first.
I did. He told me to come back over here. He said, no, go back.
We don't have a seat for you. You just wait there.
Yeah.
She's on the bottom.
Seat checks.
It's on the bottom of what?
She's on the bottom.
Ready?
Who are all of these people?
57.
They already have their seats.
Please sit in the seats assigned to you. Number 4, seat 4 upstairs. Seat 2 upstairs. Seat 46 upstairs. Arriba. Esto lo puedes dejar acá abajo si quieres. Yeah. And where are you headed to?
I'm on the bottom.
You got a lower level seat? You got a lower level? Lower level. You're gonna need to go to that car anyway. We don't have a lower level in this car.
You told me. That's what I told
You made a mistake.
Where are the stairs?
Oh wait, it is here. I'm sorry, we reversed it. Just wait there. In fact, just go ahead and go in there and grab a seat.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, 49. Seat 49 upstairs.
Is this as much as
This
car? Or just
What are they doing? We're not waiting for lettering.
They can't put their luggage away.
They lease it.
Who's going to be able to put the lettering with that guy with that case?
Dom apparently works for Amtrak. She's lifted up the steps and everything.
Ma'am, could you step back behind the yellow?
Yep,
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry. Where's she going? All the way to the back?
Didn't even get to wave goodbye because she's busy